welcome back. On today's video we are going to be making akara. So I know in Nigeria we have about 3 or 4 different types of beans. There's the black eyed peas, the white and black one, there's the brown one. The brown one, there are 2 or 3 different types. There's olotu and oloyin, but here I have oloyin. All beans work the same, but I'll be using this one. This is the one I have at home. This is like my all-time favorite beans ever, and this is what I'll be working with. So in here I have about 2.5 cups of beans, and I'll be putting water on it. So I'll be leaving this for about 5 to 6 minutes, nothing less than that. Then we'll come back to peel. So this is 5 minutes later, and we are ready to peel. You put it between your palms and rub. Easy peasy, right? So this is the olden way, the usual way to peel your beans. But now a lot of people have been using food processor and blender. So after some minutes of rubbing, then you notice the shaft is floating on top of it. So you can drain. So you can recycle your water and continue using it, or you can take this out and put another water and continue your process until it's well peeled. As you can see, it's well clean. So I want us to try the blender procedure. It's basically the same thing, but I enjoy my hand, but I just want to show people how you can use the blender. You need a lot of water to blend it. Then you have to use your pause button. So watch. Stop, you pause again. You stop, you pause again. Then you're good to go. You rinse off just like I show you while using your pan. So you drain. You put more water. So you have to drain and rinse as much as you could, so that all the skin, all the shaft can wash away. It's okay to have maybe 1 or 2 left of the shaft. It's still good, you can still use it. So make sure you get as much as possible out. Basically the same thing, and blender. To be honest, the blender make it work faster rather than the hand, but it's the same. So now we have to soak it for about 2 to 3 hours. Usually I do this overnight. So you have to let this soak or let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours or overnight before using it. This is Nigerian favorite weekend food. Basically on Saturday, this is every home. They like akara with pap or with bread or with oat. So this is after 2 hours. I'm going to sieve off the water now and blend. It's time to blend. Blend with little water. a little bit, and you need a good blender because you need to make this into a smooth puree. Just a little bit of water, then you blend into a smooth texture. This is the texture we are looking for, smooth. Transferring into a bowl. This is the texture you're looking for. Not too much of water, little to no water. That is the reason why you need a good blender. And we're going to generate air by whisking it for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can use this. Just make sure you whisk continuously for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll be using 2 scotch bonnet and 2 red onions. I'll be using this food processor to chop it into tiny bits. As you can see, it's double in size, and I'm ready to put my onion and scotch bonnet. And I'll be putting some salt. And I'll be mixing together. So I have oil on the stove. It's about medium heat now, and I'll be placing onion inside the oil just to give it a flavor. I'll be using the spoon to scoop it inside the oil. You see, it's not drowning inside the oil, it pops up. That is why you need a good blender, and you need to whisk air into your bean batter. You see, it's not going down. Your akara should not go down the oil. It needs to float like this. So this is about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to flip over. In Ghana, this is called Koose. In Nigeria, it's called akara. I place paper towel in a bowl to drain off the excess oil, and I'll be taking this out now. I think this stayed for about 7 minutes, maxi. 7 to 10 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes on the side, 3 to 5 minutes on the side. As you can see how soft and well done. It's crispy on the outside, super soft on the inside.